How to do sentiment analysis with AI on tweets or text. Hey guys, if you've ever wondered how to know if a tweet or text sounds positive, negative, or neutral, in this video I'll show you how to perform a sentiment analysis using AI step by step, so that you can instantly understand the mood behind any message. Let's just jump right in. First thing you need to do is go to AI tool that supports text analysis like Hugging Face, Google Colab, or even OpenAI's API works great as well. So I'll just go ahead and search for Hugging Face sentiment analysis. And from here, you want to go over to the first link. So you can get started with the sentiment analysis using Python, but I'll just go with this one, Twitter Roberta-based sentiment. You can just open it up, and in order to get your result, you need to type in the sentence over here. You can use other models like Dieselbird or Roberta. Click on the model and you'll see a text box where you can paste your tweet or any message. You can type or paste the text you want to analyze. For example, I just type in, "I love how fast this new phone is." I'll just do this and then tap on generate or hit run. Now, as you can see here, you can get different labels here, like label 2, label 1, label 0. So I'll show you what it means. Label 0 means negative, label 1 means neutral, and label 2 means positive. So these are your ratings or your results. And once you've analyzed your text, it is usually labeled these three things: positive, negative, or neutral, along with a confidence score showing how sure the model is about the prediction. And if you're coding on Python, you can get online scripts that works perfectly fine. And that's it. That's how you do a sentiment analysis on tweets or text using AI. Whether it's for your social media research or customer feedback, this method helps you understand emotions at scale. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.